So I'm just going to show how I added the polyline to the map with all my different ice rinks. So to draw the polyline, I set up the latitudes and longitudes for all the different ice rinks, Renton, Kirkland, Everett, Linwood, etc. And this time I'm just setting them as lat-long objects. Earlier they were marker options, but now they're just latitudes and longitudes. I set up my camera position to be exactly the same as I did in the earlier sample. Now in my on-map ready, I just move the camera to my camera position, which is Seattle. And then to draw the polyline, I just call map.polyline. It's a new polyline object, geodesic true, and then I just add all of the latitudes and longitudes that I had created earlier, Renton, Kirkland, Everett, Linwood. Notice that I begin at Renton, and then I also add Renton at the end, and then this just closes the shape, because what will happen when you draw a polyline is it will draw from Renton to Kirkland, from Kirkland to Everett, from Everett to Linwood, etc. So if I want to close the shape, I just want to go back to the initial one at the end, and then I will get all of my rinks drawn into a polygon type shape by adding a polyline. And this is what it will look like. Here you can see on my tablet I have the same map of Seattle, and I have all the endpoints of the different rinks. My home rink of Renton that I showed earlier on is the beginning and ending point, and then the polylines get drawn from Renton to other rinks. So for example, this is the rink at Kingsgate. You can see Kingsgate highlighted there, or I can go all the way up to the rink at Everett, etc. So these are the polylines that are drawn from me connecting the rinks, and because I just joined the last rink at Showware back to Renton in my code, the shape gets completed. And as you can see here, my second last one was Showware. I then added Renton and the shape got completed, so my polyline actually became a polygon. You can actually also do a map.add polygon and specify the endpoints, and it will auto close it for you.